Bhagyalakshmi, SNS College of Technology, Department of Mathematics. So here already we discussed LCM and HCF. We are continuing here. So for the normal method, we know how to calculate LCM. So with the common factor, we start with the prime numbers. For 16 and 24, we start with 2, 2, 2, like that. Up to the last level 1, we want to proceed. So the up to 1 we are proceeding. After that, multiplying all the values, we get LCM value. So but for the HCF, we are proceeding the same thing, but for when we can't take the common term, so for 2 and 3 there is no common factor, so we can stop up to this level. So we can multiply these 3 common factors alone, so we get the HCF easily. So this is the way easily we can differentiate this LCM and HCF. Some more examples, formulas, techniques we can discuss now. So the formula 1 is product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF. So the two numbers LCM and the two numbers HCF, if we multiply we get the result. So where we use this formula means, if three numbers are given, we want to calculate the fourth one, means we use this formula. So another way of writing that, LCM of fractions. LCM is a fractional value. For the fractional value, LCM is also means we proceed this formula. LCM means LCM of the numerator and divided by HCF of denominators. If the HCF of fractions is asked, means HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator, we proceed this formula. So based on this, we can see some more sums. So here the number is given. Calculate the LCM of 72 by 250, 126 divided by 75, 162 divided by 165. First thing, we want to check all the numbers. So each and every number, if we numerator and denominator, we want to check. If it is, again we can simplify, means we want to simplify, we want to get the least value. So here 72 by 250, we simplified 36 by 125, as well as 126 divided by 75 is simplified, we got that 42 by 25, and second 62 divided by 165 is simplified, and we got the answer as 54 divided by 55. So this is the final values of these. For these three values only, we want to calculate the LCM. So here we can use these are fractional values. So we are going to use the previous formula, that is LCM equal to LCM of fractions equal to LCM of the numerator. So here the numerators are 36, 42 and 54, and divided by HCF of the denominator. Here the denominator values are 125, 25 and 55. So these three values are given. So easily we can calculate. Already we know for these three numbers. LCM means we proceed up to that last level. So whatever it is, all the numbers we want to multiply up to the common numbers. So here we got that 756, and HCF means we want to stop up to the common number 25, 5, 11. There is no common number after this, so 5 is alone we are having. So HCF is 5. So we can substitute in the formula. So LCM equal to 756 divided by 5. It is a numerator is a even number and denominator is a odd number. So we get only the mixed fraction 151 divided by into 1 by 5. So this is the factors only we get. So this is another one thing. And same way we can calculate the HCF. So find HCF of these two fractions means, so again we are checking 36 divided by 51. So it is divisible by 3 tables, so we can conclude 12 by 17. It is given as, the second number is given as mixed fraction. So we are calculating to the proper fraction after that. So we know the formula. HCF is given means HCF of numerator and divided by LCM of the denominator. So here the denominators are 17. So 17 LCM of 17 is 17, and HCF of 12 and 16 is 12. So 12 by 17. So this is the answer for this term. So easily using this formula you can calculate. Same thing, we are going to proceed the next formula. If it is given as a fractional decimals, so decimals please convert it into a 0.6 as 6 by 10 and 9.6 as 9 by 96 by 10 and 0.12 as 12 by 100. So now we got the three fractional values. So here the question is LCM. So LCM formula we know LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. So 6, 96, 12. For these three numbers we want to calculate LCM, that is 96 we got. So and then denominator 10, 100, 10, 10, 100. For these three numbers we want to calculate the HCF. The HCF is 10. So if we substitute these two, we got the answer as 9.6. So this way easily we can calculate. And one more thing, we are calculating based on the first formula. That is LCM. The LCM of two numbers is 2079 and their HCF is 27. If the first number is 118, then find the second number. Already we discussed, if three values are given, we want to calculate the fourth value, means we can proceed the formula, that is product of two numbers is equal to HCF and LCM. We are using this formula. So LCM we know, HCF we know, first number is also know, and we are going to calculate the second number. We can choose the second number as X. So unknown number we are choosing as X. Instead of the remaining number we are taking together in next denominator. So cancelling these values, we got the answer as 297. So this way we can easily calculate.